Hello, my name's Charles Lastic. I'm the Managing Director of Bluebond Tax Planning. I've been an inheritance tax specialist advisor for more than 18 years and have helped hundreds of clients save millions of pounds on their inheritance tax and estate planning. So today's video is a little bit of a self-promotion, I suppose, but it helps people understand why our service is relatively unique compared to other providers in the market and why you should consider using our services. Okay, so welcome back. So today's video, as I explained, is mainly around why you should consider using our services. And I'd break this down into three main reasons. So first of all, there's the issue around a comprehensive service. Now, most of the time you would have to see a solicitor to deal with legal aspects of inheritance tax. You may need to see a regulated independent financial advisor to deal with, say, life insurance, investments into trust, that kind of thing. And last but not least, for people who require things like corporate entities, like partnerships, limited liability partnerships, family investment companies, and something also called an employee benefit trust. So what we do and what makes Bluebond unique is that we bring all three services together. The legal side, the independent financial advice side, that is done through a separate regulated company. And last but not least, Bluebond Tax Solutions, which deals with the tax planning needs of our clients. So how does it sort of work? Well, we charge a relatively low fee, and this is the second main point, our overall fee structure. So we start a very, very low fee because effectively we believe that to start the process and before people implement anything, they should have a very good understanding of what it is they're doing. So we don't tend to give simple advice. We tend to give comprehensive advice. Well, not tend to, definitely do, because it's much more effective. And if you want to engage with us, we're not just going to say, oh, put a simple life insurance into place and that's it. We look at the whole thing and say, how can we help you retain wealth in your family and achieve financial peace of mind in the most effective way possible? So in one place and through one advisor, you will get the full legal advice. Now, when it comes to actually putting trust solutions into place, we utilize a very, very good trust company who are backed by some of the best lawyers in the country. So they implement the trust, but you don't need to see them because they would act under our instructions. Then under the regulated side, most of the time, well, almost every circumstance I can think of, clients use our regulated company to give them the independent advice, as I say, around investments and trusts and things and pensions. And last but not least, for the clients who've got large property portfolios or significant wealth assets, well over 2 million, excluding their main residence, they would look to set up family investment companies because that's a very good mechanism for avoiding inheritance tax. So bringing all three of those together is sensible, but our very low initial fee is a big offer to clients, and then we go well beyond that by offering people unlimited one-to-one meetings so they fully understand all the advice that's being delivered by all three separate companies together in one place, and then they've got an integrated solution they can put into place. Okay, and last but not least, what's the main other thing is that it's the ongoing reviews. So because of our expertise in the legal side, the regulated financial advice side, and the tax side, all of those things can be brought together, and then you get ongoing reviews which enable us to help you keep your planning on stream first of all, but then sometimes people take longer because of different tax reasons to fully implement their tax planning, and then it's an ongoing series of meetings every year to make sure you're on track to help you achieve it. And also, as I said, our fees are very competitive because, you know, if you went to see a lawyer, then a financial advisor and then an accountant, they would have to understand your circumstances each time separately, whereas we just need to do it once, and therefore that helps to keep our overall fees down. And also, when you deal with separate companies, the issue is you can get conflicting advice which doesn't fit all together. Really, what we pride ourselves on is putting a strategy together for our clients, helping them get all of those meetings in one place. They fully understand it, and once they fully understand it, they then decide if they're going to implement and move forward. Okay, so that's the main reasons why you consider choosing us. It's all the services in one, which is a comprehensive service. It's a very competitive fee structure and unlimited meetings to understand your advice in the first place, and then good ongoing service every year to make sure that your plans remain on track for the long term to help you achieve financial peace of mind. Okay, thanks for listening and goodbye for now. Bye.